Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today I'm going to discuss the importance of EDC as a life skill. Feel free to change my mind. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member for exclusive content. Thanks a lot. Most people think that everyday carry, or EDC, is all about collecting gear and gadgets and then posting them onto social media. I would argue that EDC is more than just a collection of gadgets. It's a philosophy of preparedness that cultivates a sense of self-reliance and resourcefulness in everyday life. One of the primary benefits of EDC is the increased sense of preparedness it provides. So even with a pocket carry like this, you are better equipped to handle unexpected challenges that may arise throughout the day. This preparedness translates to increased confidence and a greater sense of control in navigating daily life. So what you see in front of you is a basic pocket EDC kit. Most of us would have something similar, definitely at least a phone, maybe some kind of wallet or card holder depending on how much cash or items you need to carry, and maybe you might carry a small multi-tool, a knife, and a flashlight. So this is something I might pocket carry. So of course the phone. Over here I do have a card holder. This is from Tactical Geek, really good. I keep my basic cards that I need, but I also have a small boo-boo kit or first aid kit as a magnet where a safety pin can be kept. And in this zippered compartment, which is usually meant for coins, I also have some eye drops because in an urban environment, it does get very dusty. So just something very small, very basic, but at least I have something if I need. Of course, I do always carry some kind of a knife or a folder or a multi-tool. In this case, I have the Victorinox Pioneer X, and this is the 2022 Thunder Grey Limited Edition. So great solid knife. You've got a main blade, you have a pair of scissors, you've got the two cap lifter and can opener combination, and you also have a very nice reamer which can be used as a package opener and a scraper. Kind of a dirty tool if you do not want to really ding up your blade, and that's what I do. So this can go into the pocket. And finally, for a flashlight, I'm carrying this now. This is the Wubin G10, a great little small EDC light, matchbox size, but it has great functionality for an urban EDC setting. Of course, it's not a super powerful light where you can do search and rescue, but that's not the intent. Really, it's a small flashlight to complement the phone. Now, the phone has a flashlight, but I won't use it to conserve battery, and I have this on hand. So small pocket carry like this is very useful as it can help you out in inconvenient situations or even small emergencies. Now, if we get deeper into EDC, you might even prep different kits. So here are some extreme examples. I've got my small Altoids tins, survival tins for emergency and conveniences, and we've got a more flushed out EDC kit. So I've done videos on each of these kits, so you can check it out in the links in the description. And I've also detailed the contents of this tin in a free download you can get from urbaknifeguy.com. But you might be thinking, what's the point of these kits? So for example, this tiny kit here, you might be thinking, how really valuable is it in a survival situation? When I discussed this in the video, this is not so much for a survival situation, but it's great for those small emergencies or convenience. And it's a small little tin that you can just pop in your pocket or in your bag, small pouch or compartment. So it's just something, again, you have these on hand so that if you run into any small emergencies or inconvenience, you have some items that can be very useful to you. And of course, with a larger kit like this, so this is really a full urban EDC kit, right? From tools to repair, there's first aid behind, there's a power bank. So all sorts of things that can be very useful for urban EDC, but obviously it's a much flushed out kit. Besides the prep value of the kits, to me, the true value of such kits is the creative exercise and thought process of planning what you might need for different scenarios. This encourages a deeper appreciation for the functionality and design of everyday objects. One must consider each item's utility, the size, the weight, and practicality when putting together such a kit. This ability to evaluate and organize one's thoughts systematically is a valuable life skill, which can apply to planning and project management at a larger scale. So I think this exercise is especially useful for kids, and getting them to put together their own kits is a fun way to educate them and instill a life skill. Finally, EDC fosters a mindset of resourcefulness and problem solving. When faced with an obstacle, someone into EDC is more likely to seek creative solutions using the tools at their disposal, rather than simply accepting limitations. And when you learn about different types of gear, modifications, or examples of MacGyverisms, you have a bank of solutions to solve problems as they arise. As a simple example, a length of paracord can be used in many different ways. You can obviously tie items together, learn different knots for different purposes. You can make decorative lanyards, such as this one for the knife, and then you can use the inner strands of the paracord when you need thinner cord, or to form a length of cordage 7 times the length. The same can be said with learning different uses of a paper clip, or even different ways of using a Swiss Army knives and how the different tools can be used for different purposes, even if that is not what the original intention is. So if you learn different applications for different types of gear, you increase your problem-solving ability if you're kidnapped by a guy who offers you candy in his van. So that is my case for why EDC is more than just a collection of gear. It's a valuable skill that cultivates preparedness, resourcefulness, and a deeper appreciation for the tools and skills that can enhance daily life. So what do you think? Do you agree, or do you think it's just a bunch of chocolate ice cream? Or let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love to hear your thoughts on whether EDC is a life skill or it's just a bunch of guys and girls collecting gadgets and trinkets. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.